Hey, good morning, Idaho Hawks. This is Mrs. Hawes. It's May the 7th, 2020. It is Thursday, and just wanted to wish you a happy College Thursday. Today's College Day, so maybe you're wearing your college shirt when we have a Zoom this morning to show which college you want to go to. I've been receiving a lot of assignments. Thank you very much. Your Go Math is looking great. I guess you got the word that our assignments are due May 20th, and grades go in May 21st. So be sure you get everything in that we can grade for you, okay, boys and girls? So that way you can get a good grade. I want to give a shout out to 4C. I want to give a shout out to Alex, Haley, Iana, and Anthony. They've all done their first assignment in Education Galaxy this week, so thank you very much. In 4D, I want to give a shout out to, we got a lot of people in 4D. Matthew Cassiano, Julian Carrion, Adam Carrion, Julian Gonzalez, Lorena Hernandez, Matthew Hernandez, Eder, and Takira. Boys and girls, I want you to really concentrate on your Education Galaxy because it could be giving you an easy 100. And if you want to redo the assignment, you can redo the assignment as well. So what I'm going to do for you today is I am going to do an example on Education Galaxy. I pulled out the worksheet. I'm going to do exercise number 1, and we'll see if I go on from there. I just want to let you know when I do it, the answer choices that I have are different from the answer choices than you have because they scramble it in Education Galaxy. Okay, so before I start with my Education Galaxy exercise today, I'm going to make sure that I have my Avid notes. I have my input-output because that's what I'm working with today. You should hopefully have a dry erase marker and a dry erase board. If not, a scratch paper. I do have my highlighter and I do have a pencil because I'm going to be working on the worksheet and I'm not going to be working on the computer. Okay, boys and girls? All right. Okay, boys and girls, so I have my Education Galaxy worksheet. Today's date is May the 7th, the 20th, and my name is Mrs. Hawes. Okay, I know that I have been working with input-output numbers this week. So remember that input-output tables are sometimes called function tables or pattern tables. The function or pattern is the rule. The rule helps you understand the relationship between the two columns of rows. If you know the rule, you can complete any input-output table. All right, boys and girls? So, question number 1. It says, describe the relationship between row and row 2. Okay, boys and girls? So if I look in row 1, this would be considered my input. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put input here, and I'm going to put output here. Okay, so instead of it being in rows going vertically, it's rows going horizontal. Here's row 1, and here is row 2. Let's go ahead and look at our numbers. So I know that I'm going down, so I'm going in at 4, and I'm going out at 16. I'm going in at 5, and I'm going out at 20. I'm going in at 8, and I'm going out at 32. And I'm going in at 11, and I'm going out at 44. So the first thing I could think of to myself is, well, you know what? Instead of me even thinking to myself, I am going to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and just think to myself. So if I'm going in at 4, can I add 4 plus 4? Does 4 plus 4 equal 16? No. Does 5 plus 4 equal 20? No. Does 8 plus 4 equal 32? No. And does 11 plus 4 equal 44? No. So I can't really add. So I'm going to put my operations up here. Subtract and divide, right? Okay. So now, Can we subtract 4 from 16 and get 16? No. So I can't subtract or I cannot add. So I either have to multiply or divide. So does 4 times 4 equal 16? I'm using my multiplication. Yes. Does 5 times 4 equal 20? Yes. Does 8 times 4 equal 32? Yes. And does 11 times 4 equal 44? Yes. So that also means that 16 can be divided by 4, 20 can be divided by 4, 32 can be divided by 4, and 44 can be divided by 4. And you'll get 11, 8, 5, and 4. So now I have to figure out what they're asking me. So I'm going to go down to row A, and it says row 1 is 4 less than row 2. So 4-1 is 4 less than row 2. Is that true? No. So I'm going to mark that out. Row 2 is 4 times less than the value of row 1. Well, row 2 is bigger than row 1, so that cannot be the answer. All right. So now let's look at row 2. Row 2 is 12 more than the value of row 1. Well, let's see. 16 more than. No, so that cannot be the answer. Row 2 is 4 times greater than the value of row 1. Well, we said that, right? We said 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20, 8 times 4 is 32, and 11 times 4 is 44. So I'm going to choose D. Okay, boys and girls? Now, when you go to your Education Galaxy, your answer choices are scrambled, okay? So I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, boys and girls, so that was a quick example on Education Galaxy in your assignments today. So basically, it's our Thursday, so it's Education Galaxy, Catch-Up Day, and as well as tomorrow, it's going to be Education Challenge Day where you can work on your stars. Be sure to get all your work in, and other than that, have a great day. There will be a Zoom meeting at 11 on Ms. Fryson's phone number, so we will talk to you soon. Have a good day, Ms. Hawes.